Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare the Audi Q4 e-tron versus the Tesla Model Y. We'll look at key differences to help you decide which electric SUV best fits your lifestyle. The Model Y boasts rapid acceleration, hitting 60 miles per hour in as little as 3.5 seconds, while the Q4 e-tron prioritizes a comfortable and composed ride. Both deliver excellent electric range, often exceeding 250 miles, making them great for daily commutes and longer trips. Let's dive into the details. Next, let's explore the interiors and technology. The Model Y embraces a minimalist design, centered around its large 15-inch touchscreen, which controls nearly all vehicle functions. In contrast, the Q4 e-tron presents a more conventional, upscale cabin with high-quality materials and physical buttons for common controls. While both offer advanced driver assistance systems, Tesla's extensive supercharger network is a significant advantage for long-distance travel, offering unparalleled convenience. Now, considering practicality and value, the Model Y typically offers more cargo capacity, including a useful front trunk, making it highly versatile for families and gear. The Q4 e-tron, however, excels in ride comfort and cabin quietness, providing a more serene driving environment. When it comes to pricing, both models have various trims and options that can significantly impact the final cost, so it's worth exploring configurations to find the best fit for your budget. So, which electric SUV is better for you? If you prioritize exhilarating performance, a tech-forward minimalist interior, and access to a vast charging network, the Tesla Model Y is likely your top choice. However, if you value a luxurious, refined cabin, a smoother ride, and a more traditional premium feel, the Audi Q4 e-tron might be the perfect fit. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof, meal prep containers, and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.